Hi, how are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. So something I want to start with before we start this session is just go over the limits of confidentiality. So essentially that means that everything is said in this room stays in this room, but there are a few limits to that. One of them is if you were going to make any concrete plans to hurt yourself or hurt someone else. And then another thing would be in cases of abuse. How does that all sound?
Okay.
Yeah, so abuse would just mean that in terms of child abuse or elder abuse, basically when someone's being taken care of, so taken advantage of, that, that's not okay, so I have to step in. So what made you decide to come here today?
I've been having problems with talking to my partner about like my feelings.
So I'm hearing is that expressing emotion with your partner is something that's really hard for you. How long have this been going on for?
It's been going on for like a hot minute. Yeah.
What are some of the feelings that you wish you could talk to him about, but you're having trouble with?
Maybe my anger? No. Oh yeah, my anger. I get like frustrated very easily, so it's hard to like tell him like, hey, I don't like when X, Y, and Z happen.
So I'm hearing is that anger is a very hard emotion to express in a lot of the moments.
Wait, what was the question?
No, no, you answered it. It was just like, what emotions are you having trouble responding to with your partner? How have you dealt with this so far?
I've noticed that I've been getting like angrier with him like easily. I think honestly I'm like holding like grudges, whether like that's intentional or not is like on my part. Like a perfect example is like I don't like it when he leaves his stuff all over the place, like when he visits my room. So when I like tell him like, hey, could you not do that? He fixes it, he does it, but then like 2 days later he does it again, and then I just get like angry like faster.
So it seems like there's been a real problem with him not picking up, and that's a problem that you tried to address in the moment, but it's something that he says he will work on, but then doesn't really. So that seems really frustrating, having something that you went over and that he went over and that you both were understood on, but then he kind of just didn't really follow that. So that seems like something really aggravating to deal with.
Do you have any other questions?
Well, I think we are reaching the end of our time. I just wanted to ask, is there anything else you wanted to talk about?
What email can I follow up with you?
My email is jjerome@9745@gmail.com. So just to review what we went over, I know you're having some trouble with expressing emotion with your partner, and that a lot of the times he's not been really picking up, and that's been hard for you to deal with and has definitely expressed some anger. So next time we can definitely try to work out some ways so that you can explain it to him in hopefully a way that he'll understand and something that he'll actually work on, so you can show him that you're upset and this is something serious. How does that all sound? Alright, sounds good. Well, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Thank you for coming in, by the way. Sorry, I know it's hard sometimes to come in when you have an issue, so I really appreciate you taking that time out of your day to come in and address the problem.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.